Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching this out there on the World Wide Web. This is Jeremy Geelan for SYS-CON TV. I'm here at 10th Cloud Expo, New York. You can hear it in the background. And the owner of the t-shirt with that "Got Halo" question is right next to me, as you can see, Rand Wacker, VP of Product Management at CloudPassage. Hello, Rand.
How you doing? Nice to be here.
I am all the better, sir, for standing next to "Got Halo" and a little devil. How are we going to fill in the viewers on what that has to do with anything?
Well, the little guy is our mascot, Don T. Demon, and Halo is the name of our product. What we do is secure virtual servers running in public and private cloud.
Don T. Demon.
A little bit of software that goes on your servers and keeps them protected.
Beautiful. Now, this is a huge area, so obviously you do need branding, but I'm thinking you also need some really cool technologies. So why don't we have a look at that side of CloudPassage? What is it you're doing differently?
Absolutely. So what we're doing is really building all of the security technologies people need for their public cloud servers, which they don't have access to since they've moved outside their own private data center. So firewalling, multi-factor authentication, intrusion detection, all these things that are built in a cloud-ready platform to work in any environment that you're running your servers.
So the idea is you're reassuring people who used to have it like right here. You're going to say, well, you actually can still have it. We need us to give you that same kind of, is it a dashboard, or how does it work?
Well, cloud's a little bit different in that sometimes the people spinning up the servers are not necessarily IT. And so previously, when IT would spin up a server, they would make sure that security is already there. But if you have someone doing big data analysis in the cloud or someone spinning up a marketing website, they may not know that they need security to make sure that they don't get compromised and they don't lose data or their brand gets defaced or anything. And so what we do is we provide a very simple system that they, Don goes onto their servers and then connects into our SaaS security grid where they can set all their policies, and then we automatically manage all the security settings for them.
So it's security via the cloud, security of the cloud, but via the cloud as well.
And for the cloud, yes.
Oh my God, this is getting almost biblical. By the cloud, for the cloud, with the cloud. And Don there suggests to me that you're almost democratizing security.
Well, you could say that we're making it possible for whoever's running a cloud server to do that, as opposed to in the past where it'd only be IT. But what's also actually really useful is that if the cloud has democratized IT in general. So anyone in an organization can spin up a server. Now with our products, actually, either they or their IT group can secure those servers and lock them down and enable the people to continue to use the fast self-service model of cloud deployments.
Cloud Expo been working the way you hoped? We're halfway through.
Yeah, this is a great show, quite large, and I think we're seeing a lot of interesting trends here, like big data and multi-cloud solutions and a lot of hybrid.
And bringing you the right sort of customers, the right sort of inquiries?
I think we've got a lot of mix of people here, people who are actively in the cloud, people who are still learning about it. I think as an industry, we have some more education to do to help people understand the business benefits, but once they see them, once they've used the public cloud offers, they love that model.
What would I see, Rand, if I go to cloudpassage.com and want to sort of, play around a little, see what's on, what are you offering there?
Yep, that's great, because if you're just starting out, we have a free version that you can install and deploy in less than 5 minutes and secure your cloud servers, get an understanding of what we do, and then we have more advanced features from there. For example, at the show this week, we actually announced a multi-factor authentication for your cloud servers, lock down all of your remote administrative ports, firewall them off from everyone, and then using an SMS message to your mobile phone, we can actually unlock that port just for your laptop so you can log in, but everything else stays secure.
Nice. So all that can be tried for free?
Yep, absolutely.
Well, there you are. If I were you, I would click off this interview and click into cloudpassage.com and find exactly what Rand is talking about. Thank you so much for joining us, sir.
Thanks very much.
Here in New York City, and thank you for watching out there on the World Wide Web.